Hello, I'm Usha Krishna, President of the World Craft Council, and we are just going to celebrate Kaivalam, which means it's going to be the 17th General Assembly of the World Craft Council. And with that, we are having interesting things happening. So we call this a craft summit because there's going to be a seminar. Then we have something interesting called the Living Legends, where 12 legends from all parts of the world will be interacting with about 8 of our Shilpa Gurus of Master Crafts people. After that, it's the craft film contest for which about 50 entries have come, but 25 from different parts of the world and 25 from India. Then we have a craft expo where we have about 40 stalls, 38 to 40 stalls from the rest of the world so that they can showcase the crafts from different parts of the world. And I think that's a first opportunity so that we can have access to the crafts from all parts of the world. And we also have a big place to have showcase our own jewelry, high-end jewelry, low-end jewelry. Everything is going to be showcased in stalls there. So we call it the retail space there. And then we have people like Ganjam who have done so much on jewelry craftsmanship. They'll have a place where they're going to be demonstrating what they are doing. They're also showing their very antique collection and also the new collection. Apart from this, we have many things happening in Lalit Kala Academy, because we have about 6 people taking part in that. Seva is going to be there, NID is going to be there. Then we heard downstairs we have Vastra, then we have antique, beautiful, old, I think which have not come into use at all, about musical instruments which will be showcased. It's called Vadyalaya. Then we have craft books which also be showcased. Crafts from Northeast, East, West Bengal, Northeast part of the country will also be shown and showcased there. Then we also have a workshop there. Seva is doing a workshop with members from the SAARC countries coming and showcasing and doing a workshop there. All this is going to be in Lalit Kala and Chola. And then we have the Crafts Call for India, which is having a craft bazaar with about 150 craftsmen showcasing their crafts and selling at the Valluvar. And then we also have all the galleries, about 11 galleries in and around Madras, starting from the 24th at Manjal, finishing on the 5th evening they'll be finishing, which will be Vinyasa. Every day one of the galleries are opening and some craft event is going to be happening in each of these galleries. And we have also I think we also emphasize that all this has been done with the help of the Development Commissioner Handicrafts Office, Government of India, and in the local government, both the handicrafts and the Tourism Ministry have helped us locally. Then we also have a lot of sponsors, starting from Ganjam, JJEPC, and we would probably, there are about 10, 12 sponsors, partners whom we call partners, who have helped us to carry this through. And of course, a whole lot of our members who have been working day and night to see that this becomes exciting. And we are all very excited because this time it's going to be happening in Chennai and not in Delhi, Bombay like they always have. I'm so happy that it's happening in Chennai, and I hope all of us are going to have a super time just looking at all this. Thank you very much.